Hello beauties and welcome to my channel. I am Truly Tara and here I do quite a bit of unboxings, sometimes some reviews, and we get a little bit of this, that, and the other, mainly makeup, skincare, that kind of stuff. Today I have Klever. This is, I don't get a lot of views on this video, um, but this is one of my favorite boxes, especially now that Perfect 365 has gone kaput. Um, this has usually some really good stuff in it. And I don't know. I don't know why people aren't watching or not really talking about this box that much. So let's unbox this. All right. So first thing, we have the handyman. Yeah, okay. So if you've been watching my videos, you know. It's the I'm guessing with this Handian. No, yes. Handian. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And it is a diamond powder. Ooh. Oh, cool. Love it. Wow. See, like there's some really cool stuff in this. And I don't know why it's not catching on as much. I mean, I guess there's so many boxes now that, you know, but hopefully, I will get it out there that this is a box worth getting because it is, oh shoot, I should have looked before. I will promise to put it in the description how much it is. I know it's not like a 19.99, like it's probably more like 20 upwards of 28, 29, something like that. I have written down all of my prices before, and oh my gosh, I might have it here. Would it not be awesome? No, not there. No, not there. Let's see. Like I get all these little books and stuff from my boxes, and no, what I do have is all of the people that were supposed to win, or not supposed to win, but that was in my drawing for my last giveaway. Speaking of, I am now at 94. Like that, like I got a couple of subscribers overnight, and hopefully after my Jeffree Star, like that will boost me up because I'm sure a lot of people want to see the Jeffree Star, and hopefully that will get me some more subscribers. Um, Sorry, I'm just kind of looking at, I want to know how much this box is. So y'all, I'll just have to remember to put it in the description. Okay, so next is La Chava lip gloss. I just got so many lip glosses in the Jeffree Star. Like, I almost don't want to open this, but we're here so you guys can see what is in the boxes. So I am going to go ahead and open it. I don't have to use it. Like, I can still give it away. Ooh. Okay. So this is going to be like a, heck with it, burgundy something. I need a little bit of color. Like, I put on, I'm so let down with my Charlotte Tilbury. Like, the box, like I had on the lipstick has already, like I'm not even like 3 hours into my day. That tastes amazing. mm, that's good. A nice light color, and it tastes really good. But my lipstick's already gone. I tried to put on the palette of pops, and like it just doesn't, I mean, there I had to put on other colors because it just wasn't coming through. So I'm really kind of let down. Charlotte has my heart with the, I love her the eyeliners, and I love her skincare stuff, but I don't know, it just seems like the last couple of makeup items I've got, I've just not been happy with. I don't know what this is. I'm get Oh, wow. It's a bunch of brushes. Cool. You know what I say about brushes? You can never have too many. Cool. I picked that up and was like, what is that? Okay. Okay, so next we have, I think I've already received this, like maybe in the very first box that I got from them. Um, I don't know. I don't know. I think the one that I did get like had like it was like a comb, which was kind of cool. And I've been seeing like a lot of, I hate these things because I always end up oh yeah, and another thing with the Charlotte Tilbury, like right now I have her fat lashes on, and after I did my uh Jeffree Star video, I walked in the bathroom and like I had total allies and was like, oh my gosh, like what? I, I don't know. I'm taken away from this box by talking about Charlotte Tilbury. I don't know. I need to stop. Okay, so next we have the Poudiere. I should have saved this for last, but it's okay. Cherry Blossoms. This looks fun. Oh, it's going to be more pink. I've received so many pink things. I don't know. Let's see. It is eyeshadows, and it is definitely pink. What do you know? Okay. So this will go into a giveaway. Um, it'll go into a giveaway or I'll sell it. Oh, that's a very Barbie pink. It's called Glow Pop. That I don't know. I just seen that and it just reminded me of Barbie. So in my last video, I got Natasha Denona everywhere. And that's even if I put that video out. Like, I did a review on some Ipsy stuff that I got. And I'm hoping that that is not on my camera because I got a Natasha Denona base. And, like, whenever I squirted it out, like, it went everywhere. Like, it was really runny. And, like, I swear, I feel like I might have got it on my camera, too. Because it just, I don't know, it doesn't look right. Ooh. So next we have Exquisite Eyeshadow Pencil. Smooth like silk. One swipe to quick create. Very pretty packaging. And I am really starting to get into the sticks. Oh, what? Just like this, too. Wow. That is my kind of color. Nice. I'm very happy to get this. Oh, there went my light. Darn it. What horrible timing. What horrible timing. Well, you can still kind of see it with the daylight. That sucks. Uh, just my luck. I don't know. So tomorrow is my birthday and I should be getting a vanity for my birthday and hopefully like we'll have to say goodbye to the flag. Like, I've loved having it up for the month, and like I'll probably do this every year. In July, it's my birthday and it's our birthday. So I've loved having the flag up, but yeah, like hopefully I'll have a better setting with my, like, I'll be able to sit down and have a good light around me, and hopefully that'll help boost my videos too. I really feel like it will. Okay, so next we have a lipstick pencil. Tell me, hang on. I'm hearing something in here, but maybe it's just the, there is something in here. What is it? You hear that? Like, that's not just that little cardboard. Now that my light went out, I can't see. I'm wondering if it's like a eyeliner. Or not an eyeliner. I'm just going to tear the dang box. I don't know why I'm messing around. I'm wondering if it's a sharpener. That's what I'm trying to say. There we go. It is cool. I am such a dork. Like, I cannot help it. My gosh, I'm such a dork. So, yeah, it came with its own, because I'm constantly like looking around for a freaking, and I'm beyond a dork. Okay. Constantly looking for, I just said it. Like, I'm sorry, y'all. Like, if you know me, like, I have very bad short term memory. And sometimes words just, they'll escape from my brain, like just small, really easy words. And I can't help it. So I know that you're supposed to put the pencil on first. I always kind of do everything in reverse. That's just me. Sorry. So I'm still trying to think of it. And I literally just said it. A sharpener. Like, seriously, it's I hate that you guys have to see that, but I mean I may as well go ahead and, cuz I'm sure you've seen me struggle before with easy words, and that's why. Like, car accident, and then I had seizures for a long time, and so it fried my short-term memory. And when I'm at work, this will happen, and it's so embarrassing. But I automatically kind of like freak out, like, ew, I can't say the word. And then, like, I'm like, oh my gosh, this person or my audience is going to think I'm just stupid. But that's what it is, and I can't help it. Like, so, okay, we're at last but not least. This has been a wonderful box. So, it is worth every penny of however much it is. It's not over 30. I promise you that. So we have some more O2O. And this box is always very much shipping is on time. Never had any issues with shipping. I know there's quite a few boxes that, I see there's always like complaint about shipping. So these are beautiful colors. I guess that's highlighter. Okay, 4 colors, and it's called grooming powder. Okay, that's kind of a weirdo name. Um, yeah, grooming powder. I've never heard. I mean, I don't know. Groom has become such a off word, but groom actually does mean you groom yourself. So that's, you're grooming, I guess, with makeup. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now. So that was a cool box. I really enjoyed that box. I've, like, between the Jeffree Star, like the Charlotte, I'm a little let down with, but the thing is, compared to the Jeffree, compared to the Charlotte, like the Charlotte was in a box like that. Jeffree's was in a box like that. And that Jeffree's, it was packed. Oh, I still can't believe how much was in it. But that was a $150 box, right? This box was like 30, and it had all kinds of really, I'm sorry, I keep, like, I don't mean to take away from the Klever box, because it was a great, great box. I just like talking. So that's what we're here for, right? All right. So you guys like, subscribe, and comment. I wish that I'm not going to go back and edit this. Number one, I don't know how. I'm sure that I could figure it out, but I think like the just talking is way more better than listen to somebody that's scripted. And I don't know. I would rather listen to somebody like me. And I think most of you guys would too. So Klever, thank you. That was a great box. And that's going to be all for me. I'm definitely going to shut up now. So I'll see you guys in the next. Bye.